Cool.
So the beacon that you've got in your life jackets is a V100X, intrinsically safe. You can recognise that because it's got black switches as opposed to the standard version which has red switches. Other than that, they look pretty much the same. When you receive it, it's fitted into the life jacket, and the life jacket has an access zip which gets you to the beacon. This yellow tab here is just simply a switch lock, so you just take that out and it's attached so you don't lose it. Slide that down to ready, and then that simply turns round, goes back in the top and holds it in the ready position.
Yep.
The beacon itself does a very quick self-test when you do that, and then that's it. And then the beacon is good to go. The only other thing you need to make sure is that the activation tab, which is the one on this side, is attached to the life jacket.
Yep.
So when the life jacket inflates now, auto inflates, it'll pull this tag out and the beacon will activate. So when you're working normally, you'll just simply put the life jacket on and the beacon is there ready to go.
Yep.
Like I say, when the jacket inflates, we'll just turn this one, switch this one on. So that's done its self-test. So we put the switch lock back in, which just holds it in place. Life jacket inflates, pulls the tab out, and the beacon is now going to activate. And you'll hear it beep, and there's also the lights will start to go flashing.
Yep.
Provided you're outside, well, you've got two LEDs. The one on the left looks after all the transmission circuits, and the one on the right looks after the GPS. And when the beacon is active, as this one is, the strobe light starts to flash. So you'll know that the beacon's transmitting. And that noise from the radio was what happens when you first activate it. There will be an initial DSC alert to raise the alarm. Then once it's acquired GPS, the LED on the right here will change from blue to green. Then it will send a second DSC distress alert out, and then it'll immediately start to transmit on AIS, so it will show up on everybody's AIS plot. And it shows up on the plot as initially it'll show up as a standard AIS black triangle, and then once a second message goes through, it'll come up as a circle with a cross on. Now most plotters nowadays, it's a red circle with a cross, so you can identify it clearly. And that'll keep going for in excess of 24 hours over here. So we'll just switch this one off and I'll show you how to do a test.